right, well, we have made ChatGPT in Google Sheets, but I think there's a few more things we can do to make this just a little bit better. One thing is I can't really tell right now what is human, I can tell what is human versus AI versus like the questions, but if we get into like a real dialogue, right, it's really hard to tell. So I want to label these human and AI, or ChatGPT. I want to also make it so that we can have multiple chats. One of the new interfaces in ChatGPT is you can create a new chat and then you can go back to old chats. So I want to do that. And instead of enter chat here, I'm going to create, first off, a couple more items. Add item. I'm going to call it new chat. Or create new chat, maybe. And what I want to do is I'm going to label this, I want to make a copy, duplicate it, and I'm going to call it template. Then I'm going to delete all the stuff here. We're going to actually delete a bunch of rows, maybe. And what else can we do? So we're going to copy this and call it a new chat and then make that new chat active and then make the active cell B2. So we'll do this. We'll do new chat and we'll call it new chat function, new chat. All right, and when we click that button, what do we want to do? First off, we want to duplicate template. So we'll do variable template equals spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet dot get sheet by name and call it template. Is it? I had a capital T there. Got to make sure template. All right, template copy to. Now here's the weird thing is we need to copy this to the own destination, like the sheet we're in. So I think we do spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet. I think we do that. Let's double check. We're gonna save it, close it. We're going to open it again or refresh it so that on open in our menu we get that function. And we're gonna look at, in case we have any errors, we'll see create new chat. It should say copy of template. Perfect. Now we want to name it. How do we set the new name? Is we probably do variable new chat, new page equals that, and then new page dot. Can we set the name to chat? Okay, because we want chat to be the one here. We don't want this to be chat. We want the copy to be chat, right? Let's delete that. We have a template. We have chat. Maybe we need also like archive chat, or like maybe when we create new chat, we variable chat sheet equals spreadsheet app dot get active spreadsheet get active spreadsheet get sheet by name. We want to make sure that chat is renamed chat sheet dot set name is chat, and then we're going to do plus timestamp. Actually, we can just do new date. There. Okay, so we know that if there's a chat that exists, we're going to rename it to chat plus the timestamp. Then the template, we're going to take the template that we have and we're going to make it, we're going to copy it and we're going to name that chat. Ideally, that's what's going to happen. Hopefully. Let's see. So we have chat now, create new chat. That renames it. And we have chat over here. But now we need to make chat spreadsheet app dot get sheet by, we need to make it active. Get active spreadsheet dot get sheet by name chat dot, I think we can just do activate. We might be able to get away with that, or we might have to do set active. Let's try to just do activate. So now we have this big old timestamp. We probably don't want all of it, but it's okay. for this. We'll create new chat. We rename it. And now we have a new chat. Great. And now this, if I command click, this should still be assigned. Yeah, that's still the same that in that image is duplicated as well. So we're going to ask a question. Hi, what's your name? We're going to hit this button. Running the script. You can call me OpenAI Assistant. Cool. Now we need to set these as human and AI, right? So we'll go through our chat. We'll go to the bottom where we return stuff. We will set a value for ChatSheet.getRange. The row is going to be 4. The column is going to be 1. This is going to be set value. And it's going to be, the question is human. And then the same exact thing, copy paste, but row 5 will be AI. Now, as we go, what's your middle name? Hit the enter, the button. Now we have human and AI. Cool. Maybe we can style that a little differently. That maybe we can also add colons to that. Might be nice. Should I do AI? No. Capital AI? I don't know. We'll do that. I don't have a middle name. However, I can help. It really wants to help me. What tasks can you help me with? Hit that button. Ooh, this is exciting, right? What tasks? I can help you with various tasks. Let's make sure this template has, I think we need, it is, the text wrapping is correct. It's going to be a bit of an issue, right? Because it doesn't look very good. When it enters that data in there, it doesn't automatically. Do you have any? So now this feels like a chat, right? But it's, I know on the back end, what's going on is that this chat is only, the prompt is only the exact question that I ask, okay? So it's not really, the prompt doesn't really know that I have some other questions and the answers that it's given me. So I want to insert here some of the past question answers, if there are past question and answers. And what they're going to be is they're going to be this A4 and B4, A5 and B5. And we probably want to limit it maybe to like 3 or 4, because if we got a lot of text in there, it's just going to cost a lot in prompt tokens. So one easy thing to do, maybe let's do the easy thing first and then fix it as we go. So we want to get past questions is going to be, this should be chat. Actually, I copied the wrong one. That's the API key. Here's the question. Okay, let's write variable past question, and let's do the same thing, but past answer. This is going to be what was it? Not A3, A4 was the question, and A5 was the answer. Wait, no, that's just, we know what that is. So we actually have B5. This needs to be B4. All right, let's do that again, but it'll be 6 and 7. Okay, so now we can add these in here, but we don't want to necessarily add. Could we add them blank, and is it going to like not be a bad thing? Sort of. Okay, so I think I thought of something. Okay, so we know how big the template is. So we know that there are 8 rows in the template before anything has been asked. So we can guess if there's more rows than 8 in this sheet, then we have some past questions and answers. We don't necessarily know how many. So we can do something here. So I'm going to pause this part because this We don't need, we need those, but we don't necessarily need to do it in this piece by piece. We can get it all at once. So if, let's do variable row count equals, we can also fix this, chat sheet equals all of this. So we don't need to do that again and again. Chat sheet. Chat sheet dot get max rows is going to get us the number of rows, right? So if row count is greater than 8, then we're going to do something else other than this. Else, we're going to do this. Wait, actually, we can do less than 8, then the variable past questions equals, we're just going to have nothing here. So we can add right here plus past questions. And then I think we can just need to figure out how to format this human and AI. The last part is going to be the same. The last question, right? We're going to put in the human question and then the AI colon. That's going to stay the same. But our previous questions need to, I think, be here. And if the row count is less than 8, then variable past questions is just going to be quotes. Nothing. It's not going to be anything. But if it's greater, else, variable past questions is equal to, now we have to do sort of a for loop, I think. I think we can do an array. No, we don't want it to be an array. We want it to be a string. Okay, here we go. For I equals 0, I is less than, we actually only want 3 or 4, right? Oh, I got an idea. Actually, we can, I'm gonna do this super badly. If you're watching this and trying to learn how to program, this might not be the best way. But row count is equal to 10, right? It's gonna be 2 at a time. Now we know there's only 1, so we can do something here. And we're going to do variable past questions is equal to this. And then if row count is equal to 12, we're going to do something else here. Not else, but we're going to do variable there. So we need to figure out what this is. It's probably going to be question 1, question, human question, each question, AI answer equals ChatSheet dot get range. What is this again? It's going to be, let's look at a past one. B4 is the question, B5 is the answer, B5 is the answer. And now this is equal to the /n human. We do have a space there. Human plus question plus n AI plus AI answer. So now we're inserting, if the row count is exactly 10, we're going to insert the past question and answer. What are we doing? Line 36. Okay, and then if we need 2 of them, we'll do exactly the same thing, except we're going to add another one. Or actually, it's going to be greater than 10. We only want to have 2. I think it's going to be out of the bounds of this particular video if we're going to do more than 2. So we'll just add 2. And let's see if this actually works, right? Go through all of this and find out it doesn't work would be crazy, right? Each question 2, actually 1 plus, we can add all of this here. 1. Now I think that is it. So now let's look at our current chat. Our current chat has more than, 10. So it should grab in all of this. What was the last thing I asked? Let's see. Chat sheet is not defined. Details. Okay. We just need to find all of the... Where is all of this? So maybe in here, this variable. Or maybe this needs to be const. Sorry, let's try this again. Okay, that wasn't it. See the executions. See if there's a... Oh, is there... This is chat, right? That is chat sheet. It should be telling me what line, no? Ah, there is 37. Let's look at this, line 37. Chat sheet. Oh, it's supposed to be a capital S. Chat sheet. So actually, we probably didn't even need these. This is overkill. How many chat sheets do we need? So we had it up here, so we don't need it here. Should not need it here. If we see that again, we'll know. Grab it. Okay. Dismiss. Cannot read properties undefined. Get range. Let's look at the error again. Executions. That was my silly mistake. I accidentally deleted an extra chat one, so that should work now. Let's see. What was the last thing? US range. Well, that's not actually true. I mean, what? That's nonsensical. Can I have a conversation with you? I mean, it seems like it's working, right? Do we really need to go through this? But yeah, absolutely. I'm here to help. So write a tweet about ChatGPT and Google Sheets. Let's see. Nice. Make it shorter. All right. This is strange. I see an error that I did here is I'm rewriting over this. This should not be B4 and B5 again. This should be B6 and 7. All right, let's see if this fixes it a little bit. Write a tweet hook about Google Sheets. Write it shorter. What range do you need? Something weird about the range. Oh, is it? Oh, this is so stupid. I can't believe I did this. Okay, so this is get range. We need to get value. Oh my god, I can't believe that's so funny that I did that. All right, value. All right, this is gonna work because it's oh, this is exciting. Oh, dot get value. We need the value, not just the range. I'm so excited. All right, now let's see. Will it work? All right, now let's try this again. Write a tweet about Google Sheets. Hit. Yep. Running that script. Get organized. Work smart. Write it shorter, please. It is shorter. Take out the hashtags. Nice. So now we have a pretty cool implementation of ChatGPT coming in a Google Sheet. We now are able to create more chats, save our chats. We are also able to add in the questions and answers that we're getting into the prompt a little bit, right? We haven't really done it a programmatic way. I sort of just hacked this together. It's only giving up to the last 2 questions and answers. But I think for this video, this is a pretty cool place we're in now. We can create new chats, save our old ones, archive our old ones based on our timestamp of when they're ended. If you are looking to use this, go ahead and make a copy and try it out. And you'll need your own API key. Watch the latest video from Better Sheets right here. If you haven't watched any other videos on Better Sheets, you are in for a treat. Enjoy.